Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Einstein Pong, an engineering student studying in Malaysia. Today I actually have 2 quizzes to be submitted by 5 PM, so I plan to pack my backpack right now and head to campus to finish everything I need to do today. Let's go.
Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy.
So, I quickly settled down in the Mereka lab I featured in my day in life video, link on top, and started working. So at this very moment, I was working on 2 quizzes, which were maths and also Python programming. Look at my slightly stressed face in the time lapse, but luckily I prepared well for all of them. Hey guys, so I just finished my quiz and it was quite okay. I actually scored 100 marks, so kudos to me. Because I ran out of masks, so in the previous footage, maybe you are questioning where's my mask? In Malaysia right now, during this pandemic period, when you go outside without a mask, it's like GTA where automatically there's 1 star on you and the cops are gonna chase you around. I just bought my mask and today I'm gonna talk about my precious backpack because I received messages from some of you. How do you fit all this stuff into such a small backpack? Starting off with this guy. It is not a backpack video without a backpack. Introducing my reliable XD design, Bobby BIZZ. This is a multifunctional anti-theft backpack with a minimalistic design. You can choose between the backpack mode or the more formal briefcase mode, just by hiding the shoulder straps into the design space. A variety of safety features are built in, like zinc alloy safe lock, hidden zippers, cut and water resistant alongside with hidden pockets. There is an USB charger port you can access from the quick pouch, so you can charge your devices through a power bank in the backpack. You can choose to either fully open up the backpack or just a 45-degree opening. It can fit a 15-inch laptop and a pouch designed for tablets. I love the design of quick access card pockets on both shoulder straps and the quick access pouch. It is super convenient to pass through gates with access cards. Next thing in my backpack is my Lenovo Legion Wi-Fi 40 2019 version. It is my main machine to edit videos and play some games during my leisure time. Intel Core i5, GTX 1650, 16GB RAM, and a 144Hz display screen. It has a modern minimalistic design that doesn't shout, "I am a gaming laptop!" You can bend the screen to 180 degrees with a special design joint that offers certain unique viewing angles. The keyboard typing experience needs some time to get used to, but it is absolutely amazing. Although the speaker performance is subpar and the battery life is too short, which also indirectly means bringing a heavy power brick is essential. This laptop, in my opinion, is very valuable in terms of performance to price ratio for us students. I carry my 6th generation iPad everywhere I go, and it is a must pack in my backpack setup. I actually made an entire video about my iPad, so feel free to click on top and watch it. Mouse. My old buddy Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. I've been using it since 2016 and it serves me well. Requires 2 AA batteries and it comes with a USB-A dongle that transmits up to 500Hz. You can choose either performance mode or endurance mode, which will adjust the rate of transmission accordingly. There are 6 programmable buttons on the left side, which improves both my video edit workflow and gaming playstyle. You can adjust your DPI to optimize the cursor speed as well. Extremely comfortable on the palm for right hand users. Suitable for long hour use. I haven't had a second thought of investing a new mouse. This one is just so well built. As I need to both edit videos and attend online classes on campus sometimes, my headphone played an important role for quality portable music. This Beats Studio Wireless 2 was a gift from my dad back in 2015, and it still performs and meets my needs. The noise cancelling headphone supports both Bluetooth pairing and cable connection, which the audio recorder is only available with the cable connection. You can control volume, play and pause or next and previous song on the left side of the headphones. Before moving on to the next item I count as essential, let me spend some time #StudyWithMe. My midterm was coming up, so I planned my time precisely with my iPad and began studying. I focused on some questions for my engineering mathematics and predicted a list of questions that might come out in the exam. I marked them in a subfolder with my Microsoft OneNote app for me to revise one last time before the actual exam. After that, I went through chemistry tutorial questions as they are required to be submitted later in the week. By utilizing my weekends well, I was able to free up some time to work on some of my side projects and allow me to have a little bit more freedom during the week. I believe procrastination is our common enemy, but all of us can clear our minds during studying sessions with some lo-fi relaxing music. Feel free to study with me with my Pomodoro timers made just for you. It is really important to get into the flow state and produce the best works of your life. There are 4 more things I carry around every day with my backpack. Firstly, my spectacles. I like to keep it in my bag unless I'm doing math or working as a barista. It always triggers my Asian powers and professionalism for work. This cloth with my name on was a gift from my basketball coach. I use it to wipe my specs or to remove finger stains nowadays. Coach, if you are watching, thank you lots! I also carry around my Casio FX570MS scientific calculator around everywhere I go. I lost 4 calculators in my high school days, and that is why my friend stuck that Korean potato chip sticker there for me since high school. Lastly, I need to keep myself hydrated to get productive. My water bottle is the Nike Hypercharge. I bought it during sales. With 710ml volume capacity and a stylish modern design, it accompanies me through my studies in the library or the intense workouts in the gym. Absolutely vital. After a long day, I'm finally done and I'm going home, so let me pack up my backpack and let me show you how I pack my backpack. First of all is of course the backpack. The first thing I normally pack is my Legion Y540, so it will go to the 15-inch laptop sleeve in the backpack. Alright, after that I'm gonna pack my iPad. Put in, I will lock it with the strap. So with that component done, I'm gonna fill out my main component. My main component, the first thing I will do is normally the chargers. For the charger, the first one is the power brick from my laptop, and another one is my iPhone charger, which is compatible with my iPad. Next is my water bottle. Now I will fill the pouches. First of all is my glasses. If I'm wearing my glasses, just case that, but for today I'm wearing a cap, so I don't wear glasses. I think it's hideous. And then my disgrace to Asian thing, my calculator. Pack them into the net pouches. Alright, so after that, my mouse, take it in. And then normally I'll pack my towel after packing my mouse. And finally my beads. Zip it up like this. And one more thing will be my wallet, which I will normally pack in the quick access pouch, and I'm good to go. It's slightly heavy, but it's okay because I love my backpack. And these are all the stuff I bring. I'm ready to go, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day, and Fleming, out.